Meaning of desideratum.
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 Desideratum. The word desideratum refers to something that is desired or wanted. It can also be used to describe a goal or objective that someone is striving to achieve. This term is often used in academic and scientific contexts, where researchers may describe a particular piece of information or data as a desideratum that would be valuable to their work. Overall, desideratum represents something that is missing or needed, and it serves as a driving force for people to continue working towards their goals until they are achieved.